Hello everyone, I am here with the Ruger today, 2245 Mark IV, and I'm going to try and get in the frame in a good way so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so this has a one button takedown right here. Okay, that's the one button takedown. The old versions of these guns, the Mark IIIs, the Mark IIs, the Mark Is, had more complex ways of taking them apart, disassembling them for cleaning and lubrication. The Mark IV, the beautiful thing about it to me is just this. One button and the whole thing pops apart. It's this simple. Okay, you take out the magazine, you make sure the gun's clear, which also cocks the internal hammer. You then apply the safety. You'll see a little white spot in there when you apply the safety. The gun's ready to be disassembled. This easy. There's a pivot pin in the front here. You sort of hold it. You don't want to put your finger in where the trigger is. Hold it like this in one hand. Push in with a thumb or finger back here. And the whole thing, when you pull that way, it just pops apart. Just like I just showed you. And then on that front pivot pin, right there, it sits in this little slot right here. I'm going to do it one more time, just because I want you to see how simple it is. The button is here, the pivot pin's there. Once the gun's clear and the safety is on, you just hold on to the gun, push the button, and pull it apart. And then once it's apart, the lower part, the receiver goes down here, you can just grab the ears and pull it apart like that. Very easy to clean. You know, you can get inside the barrel very easily to clean. You can get on the breech face to clean. You can wipe everything down. In the book it doesn't say anything about lubricating other than wiping it down with a rag. So putting it back together, the pivot pin on the frame goes in the little slot on the barrel. Keep your fingers out of there and just push it down till you hear a click, and it's together. Again, you just push the button, pull it apart, put it back together. You could push the button. The instructions don't say to. They say to just push the receiver and the barrel together, and there it is. Pretty neat. It's one of the best features about it, and one of the reasons I wanted it. So that's the one button takedown, disassembly and reassembly of the Ruger 2245, the Mark IV. Awesome feature.